بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. وبعد, it's your brother Musa. Inshallah ta'ala, we'll continue with our lesson on basic fiqh. Uh, now, the first question that we have here says, ما الخفين وجوربين وهل يمسح عليهما؟ الخفين ما يلبس في الرجل من الجلد. الجوربين ما يلبس في الرجل من غير جلد، ويشرع المسح عليهما بدل غسل الرجلين. So the question is, what is known as khuffain and what is jawrabain, and can we wipe over them? So khuf, first and foremost, it means the leather socks. All right. And jawrab is whatever is not leather socks, okay? Just regular socks. All right, can be from cotton or any other material. These are known as what? Jawrab. And it is permissible. You can what? Wipe over them instead of washing the feet while you're making wudu. All right. Now, the next question says, اذكر الحكمة من المسح على الخفين. As I mentioned, the wisdom behind wiping the خفين. التيسير والتخفيف على العباد، خاصة في أوقات البرد والشتاء والسفر، حيث يشق نزع ما في الرجلين. So the wisdom behind wiping over the socks is that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants to make it easy upon us. All right, because it might be hard to, especially if it's very cold or during winter time or you're traveling, taking off the socks all the time might be very hard because of the weather. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made it easy for us that we just wipe over our socks. Now, the next question that we have is it ما هي شروط صحة المسح على الخفين؟ أن يلبس الخفين على طهارة أي بعد وضوء، أن يكون الخف طاهرا فلا يجوز المسح على النجس، أن يكون الخف ساترا المحل المفروض غسله في الوضوء، أن يكون المسح خلال المدة المحددة للمقيم غير المسافر يوم وليلة، وللمسافر 3 أيام ولياليها. So what are the conditions that makes valid for you to wipe over your socks? All right, first and foremost, you have to what? Make sure that you before you start wiping, you have to make sure that you have already performed wudu before. All right, then you put on your socks and then you can wipe over them. That's one. And also, of course, the socks has to be, tahir. It has to be pure, meaning that it should, the example, there shouldn't be any urine or defecation on the socks. All right, it has to be pure. The next one, they say that the leather socks must cover the whole feet, including the ankles. Okay, this is not condition because the Sahabas used to wear, they wear some of them were poor, so they used to have socks that that has some holes on them. Now, say also very important here. Say wiping over the socks must be within a limited period of time, meaning that all right, if you someone that is not traveling, you're at your house, you're at home, or your resident, as I say here, it's a day and a night. But if somebody's traveling, it's how many days? 3 days and 3 nights. Now, the next question says, ما هي صفة المسح على الخفين؟ أما صفة المسح فهي أن يضع أصابع يديه مبلولتين بالماء على أصابع رجليه ثم يمررهما إلى ساقه. يمسح الرجل اليمنى باليد اليمنى والرجل اليسرى باليد اليسرى. Now, the next question, how do we wipe over our socks? All right, how do we wipe over our socks? First, okay, you have to make sure that your hand is wet, all right? And then guess what? You just wipe over them using what? Use the right hand, all right, to wipe on your right feet, and what the left hand to wipe over the left feet. You can do it at once. Wipe both feet together at the top too. You don't have to wipe what at the bottom. All you have to do what is to wipe at the top of the socks. All right, and you only have to do it once. You don't have to repeat 3 times. Now, the next question said, ما الذي ينقض المسح على الخفين؟ انقضاء مدة المسح، فلا يجوز المسح على الخفين بعد انقضاء مدة المسح المحددة شرعا، يوم وليلة للمقيم وثلاثة أيام ولياليها للمسافر. See what invalidates what? Wiping over the khuffain. First and foremost, what we have to say first, the thing that invalidates wiping over the socks, we just have to make this clear that okay, whatever breaks the wudu breaks also what? Wiping over the socks. That's one. And also what we can add as what is presented here is that what the duration, the time limit that was set earlier. After if the person is not a traveler, it's 1 day and 1 night. If that is done, guess what? You have to make wudu. You have to take off your socks and what? Make wudu. All right. And then you start again after you've made no wudu, meaning that you have taken off the socks and wipe your feet and wash your feet. Then you can start also wiping on your socks. Okay, that's for the person that is not a traveler. As for the traveler, after 3 days and 3 nights, guess what? You have to take off the socks again. You have to wash your feet. Now, inshallah, jazakumullah khairan. Of course, if you have any question about what we have mentioned here, inshallah, feel free to email us, inshallah, Quran, Arabic classes, Islamic classes, inshallah. Reach out to us. Jazakumullah khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.